I got home yesterday and this evening was nice. I walked out back. I heard all this noise and I'm invaded by all these big old birds. I mean, these things got wingspan 4 foot wide. They carry you away. Anybody remember that movie, The Birds? I mean, they're pretty calm now. You can see them flopping around a little bit. That's up on top of the tree in my backyard. I got it zoomed in a little bit. I could shoot a fire hose up in there. They'd all. Oh, there goes a couple of them crazy. Blah! A couple of them flew away.